Oba Poriisi ya Uganda yateekaho engenderwaho ezigendere kurangwa Abeegi tibateganisibwa ombwire bw'okushoma.
During your interaction with the schools, students, we register cases, we register complaints, there are cases in court. So derived from that, we usually come up with these pieces of advice. The first is we encourage parents to escort young children, especially lower primary children, and also the girl child.
Bisoke ekisumwa yagamba abintu ebitali bimwe na bimwe ebiri kukorwa abazaire n'abashomesa rero bikata amagara g'Abeegi aha rutezo.
We encourage parents to share medical details of children. Before we have registered the cases where a parent does not reveal certain medical complications of a child, and when those complications escalate, and unfortunately sometimes even to fatal outcomes, where you find, let's say, a child has passed on, the parent turns the anger to the school.
Abantu abari kurira amashomero rusoke yacyamya ubine kureba ngo bareberera abana kurungi kurabira ombintu hebari kozesa amashomero aho bari kushomera ngo muringo gumwe go kureba ngo Abeegi tibatunga kuteganisibwa kona.
Check vehicles. It's very, very essential. And ensure security presence, especially at the gates. So that is very, very important. Verify persons speaking children. It's crucial. Like I've said, some of these parents have conflicts.
Gwiyayongera yagira ngo Poriisi terije kubura kukwata abo bona abarateekateekweho okwa abaritakufa aha bana rero bakahikwaho akabi.
Children by their nature are very playful persons. If a child fell in one of your uncovered manholes, you certainly will not go away free. It can have a bearing both on your reputation, but also it has legal consequences.
Byebikiri aho obwo amashomero gari kutebekanisa kwiguraho ahabwizo bari yaburi kubanza izo biri yanyencha kare twatayiro tax pack umulimbarara ukureba mbere ko yemeriro mbiye ntambura kandi obwahati twashanga motoka zijurine tax pack obwo abana b'amashomero bari kuza motoka okugaruka aha mashomero twaganiraho no rikurira tax pack eyambarara kandi ogu yashoborora okubagizira ekiganiro n'abavugi ba taxi okureba ngo tubagira mu rugwa sente rero kikabaretera okuvugisa kimama
no kuri mutabaza twasensitizinga abavugi bitu taxi drivers na conductors babo kureba ngo taba excitement hakabo kwenda gukora ka sente kinji bakiruka munonga abakakome ibintu byinji bukagwa linga shibaka tunga accidents bo benyine themselves bashanga motoka yabo ebyo kurwanisa ebyo kusinda bya drugs natural of course ebyo tukabirwanisa twakigine munonga
ogu yashoborora okuba tarayongere kandi kuba tari kuza kongera bishare byona ebyentambura omukuhumuruka okwabeegi
abana bishomero tikikuba cyangwa munonga kugira ngo abantu baragasaide mu kugira ngo side nijo yaza kuba stranded no mwetaro kongeze sente
yagaruka yehanangiriza abazaire okureka kusindika abana na munonga bato okutambura bonka omubyiruka
wanda kutaking advantage ngobwire yo kwenda kwiba abana nibija in fact ni hanangiriza abazaire shaka kana gato kari kaza ku banking school fees karete bintu kabihumuza samuya eshaho kine bishaho byinji kine kesi nkapakirwe bintu den kari karonda kuza ku bankinga on process ejo haba kwenda kiba ejine city ati kuzire n'abayayi barume
abavugi ba taxi nabo abo twagambaho nabo bashoborora okubetebekanise okubasa kutambuza kurungi Abeegi obwire obwo.
Tulwabanka lwaburizo tuleka ekitahindukawo mu transport fares zagumaze constant zagumazirero
izoba abana tubatambura akavuga ko turende batambura oka obuhabuzo bunani mpezo batuka batahi banje nani teka ngo mwana kuya kujana ine kesi ayino mfariso ayina kadomara ine tononoza babine ho bwaragije so ni teka nti priva kikumuhaburaho yana yaciro mwana amacire nebitugiye ko kwabyine amuteko mwanya gwashemere kubana mutekamo umwana mushitamisho motoka ataza kutamba tambura mbatembeyo
Gasha kwa Ian akankwasa.